Hello my lovely and beautiful nail friends, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to see what this RC DR203 nail drill is about, these little bits that came with this set, and some nail clippers, all from Amazon. If you want to know if this works, if it's beginner friendly and what is in this set, please keep on watching this video. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, please hit that notification button, that little bell that is right there. So for now, enjoy this video.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business. Good morning, lovely. So it's quite early in the morning right here, but it's really hot during the day, so I thought maybe I would film a video before it's going hot crazy here and it's not workable for me in that heat. So that's why my voice sounds like this. I'm just awake. But in this video we will test out this RC nail drill and see if it's any good. I bought all these on Amazon and I'm gonna show you the prices, and these are all from the Amazon in the US. And we've got some nail clippers. And this is the nail clipper and it's $3.98. Then we've got these ceramic bits and these are $15.99. And then for the nail RC drill you pay $19.99 and you got all these little bits and bobs with it. So I bought this from the US, so there will be a US plug in here, so I need to use a small plug I have myself to put it in a Europe plug. So but first we are going to open this one and we are going to take these off, and these were these really long nails. I used the press-on nails as dual forms method and they are on a really nice, and they are on a little bit more than a week and they are still rocking. I got some grow out, but the rest I shortened them a little bit because I was working in the garden and everything, and I hit my nails a couple of times and it really hurt, so I had to shorten them at the same size as my other hand, and they are rocking as well. But for this video we are going to take these off with the efile we have, and in my next video, so please stay tuned for that video, I will be pronouncing the winner of the glitter. And also I have some new products in. I was waiting for those products quite some time and it was a little bit more expensive, but they are gels from one of the persons on YouTube, so I'm really excited to test that out, and I'm gonna test it out on this hand. So please make sure you watch the next video because I was really excited. So the cuticle, this is the edge cutter, stainless steel, just for nail RC, really nice packaged, and it comes with your user manual on the back. Well cut, straight cut, round cut, just how to hold it when you need a well cut. If you want a straight cut you keep it like this, and if you want a round cut you can use it like this. And the blade, this is the correct position like this is the wrong position. It's really nice to know. So let me try and open this. There we go. It feels really nice. Oh, there's a little plastic here. It's really easy to work with. There's a little feather or something, how you call it, right there. Let me see. I have a gold one. My gold one looks really cheap. This one looks a little bit better. So let me see if it will work and take these off. And they take off really nice. My nails are flying everywhere. So that works. Look, there are my nails right there. So for only $4 you can't complain. And you got a really nice nail clipper right there. So the next thing we've got is this drill bit set. And we've got the umbrella, the barrel ball, the small flame and the large barrel, and this is the torch cylinder. So we are going to use these today. And you have different colors. And you've got your green for coarse, that's the C4. You've got your blue for medium, and this is the grit I'm talking about, and you've got your red for fine. So normally you want to use your coarse or your medium. I like to use medium to take off your product, and this is for some harder gels or acrylic, and the fine for some shaping and just finishing touch work and everything. So I really like these, and they look really nice. And I got one of these, I think it was this one, with another efile I really like to work with, so I think we are gonna try and use this one to take off my nails right here. So you got 5 files for $16, so also a really nice price. And if you are looking for files like these, make sure you watch the colors and really look into what fine, medium or coarse, for what kind of things you can use it on your nails, because you don't want to mess up your own nail because you are working with a coarse one too close to your own nail. So make sure you don't mess up your own nails. So then we've got the RC nail drill in a really nice white box. And this is just your standard small drill, and it's really nice to use as a beginner because it's a really small handpiece, and come into that later. So it always comes with a user manual that explains where all the bits are for, how your e-file will work, how to use it, which steps you need to take and everything. Also a little bit of safety and things you can email if there's anything wrong with your product. So it comes with multiple things. So we have this one right here, and this one is the US plug, but I see they sent me the EU or Europe plug with it, so that's amazing they did that, so I can use it right here and I don't have to take my own one. But this is to give your file power to work. It's not rechargeable. You really need to plug it in to make it work. Then you got this bit set right here, and this is all polish, for polish work for your skin and everything, and a small cuticle thing right here. And I really like that it comes with this little set right here. You got quite a big bag of sanding bands. I like to use sanding bands on my natural nail on a really low speed, or to do some buff up work when you're finished. So I have a drawer full of these babies right here, but I really like to use them. And if you know how to work an electric e-file, it's quite safe to use them on your natural nail. If you don't know how to use it, please make sure you don't use it on your natural nail, because it can really hurt you or damage your own nails. So not gonna use these today. Then you've got your standard drill bit set. It is a set that comes with all the drill bits in the world, I think. I have so many of these, but I really like to use this one because this one is for your sanding bands. You can slide them over here and use them. We've got some cuticle bits right here and some polished bits right here, but never use these. Sometimes I will use this one or this one, but I got other files to use it for. And then the last thing in this set, we've got this beautiful drill bit, and I really like the design. There's RC right here. Here we have our DR203, and it looks like a pen. I really like this. And when I was growing up, we had pens like this to write, and there was a battery in here, and it will shake when you write to create different designs. Really cute, but I really like this one. So let me try and plug this in somewhere where this will fit. Let me see. I'll be right back. I need another plug-in because all the plugins right here, or how you call it, are round, and this one is square, so I need a flat one to use this. So I will be right back. So it took me forever to find a box that fit that particular plugin, but I found one, and when I did, the camera battery died on me, so it's the next day. I already did one nail just to try something out for my next video, and I really love this color, but we are going to do this video, the RC one, and I already put a bit in, and that is this one, the medium large barrel, and we are going to take off this product right here. So I'm gonna take a little thingy right here, and this one comes with the control part on the cord right here. So you have your speed control, and you can slide it back and forth. In the middle it's off, and then you have your reverse and forward. And with this drill, it's really nice for beginners, but you have to know that when you turn it on, it's on a quite a fast speed, so you don't have a really soft speed. This is the speed it starts with, so you have to be really careful, and it goes faster. The noise isn't terrible or annoying or anything, but you have to make sure you know how to work this baby, and also you need a plug-in because it's not chargeable. So we are going to try to take these babies off right here, and I have it on reverse right now because I'm working on my working with my non-dominant hand, and if I work on this hand, I have it in forward. So I'm going around the cuticle area and then from back to forward, but you don't want to go back too far because you will hit your cuticle right here. It doesn't hurt that much, but you never know. Around the sides. And this bit works really nice, but it takes a little bit of time to take everything off. Because we have polygel on here, we have gel tips on here. We have top coat and a layer of flour gel. Let me see if I can take length off with this. And it does that too, and I have it on the lowest speed, so it works really nice. So I'm not gonna bore you
with taking off all of my nails on camera. I think this is a really nice beginner e-file. They are really affordable. They are only $20. And if you're a starter nail tech or just doing your nails at home, this is really affordable. It doesn't take much space. And it works really nice. It takes off your product. You can sculpt your nails with them, file them in shape and everything, but you have to make sure you know how to work these babies right here. So that was everything for this video. I will leave the link for this file down below. Also the link for these bits right here I will leave down below for you guys, and the nail tipper will be there as well. So go check out the RC nail drill, and if you going to buy one, please let me know. I'm really interested to see if you can work with it, and if you like working with it, and if you think it's a nice quality. So thank you so much for watching my video. It's not a really long video. I'm gonna take off these nails right here, and we are going to film another video making these babies right here with some new gel I got in, and that's gonna be a really interesting video. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be